children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. Now children, today we learn English for LKG. Yes children. So English for LKG. Yes children, before English we learn magic words. Yes children, before English we learn magic words. So manners, magic words. Okay children? Manners, magic words. So what is the magic words children? So we have total 5 magic words. So 5 magic words is very important children. So we use every day these magic words children. Actually so many magic words. So every day we life. So we routine life we use actual magic words is 5 children. Okay. So first one is please. 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 So second one is thank you. Okay children. First one is please. Second one is thank you. So I am sorry. Okay children. Now next one. Excuse me. Okay. Now last one. May I. Okay children. May I. So children, when we need help we must say magic word. What is this children? Please. So we need help we must. So we use magic word is please. So give me a pencil. Please give me a pencil. Please give me a eraser. Okay children? Please. Now children, one simple conversation. Okay children? Okay children, one simple conversation. See? So I'll ask some. So see children, one. So my friend. See, she is my friend children.
Hi, hello
So
children.
I'll ask something children. See children, please teacher give me a duster. So teacher is giving duster. So I'll ask, please teacher give me a duster. So thank you teacher. So next one is thank you. Please and thank you. Understood children? So children, when somebody helps, remember what you say children? Thank you. So I'll tell teacher what children? Thank you. So teacher give me a duster. So I'll tell teacher what children? Thank you. Please and thank you. So next one children, when you are mistake, remember what do you say? See children, one simple conversation. Oh, sorry. Sorry teacher. See children. So I heard this teacher. So what I tell? Sorry. So I'll tell sorry teacher. Understood children? So next one children. When you sneeze, cough or yawn, remember what you say? Yes, excuse me. When you are cough, when you are yawn, when you are sneeze, cheek. So what you say children? You say excuse me. Okay children? So
Excuse me, let me go.
okay. See children. Teacher what you say children? Teacher what you say? She is telling excuse me. Understood children? So one more children. When you want help anyone, remember what you say? May I help you? Okay children? So when you are anyone you do help, so what you tell children? So may I help you please? Okay children, understood? So these are magic words children. Please, thank you, I am sorry, excuse me and may I help you. So these 5 magic words in our daily life children. so many magic words. So we have our daily life. We use every day these magic words, children. So you keep these magic words. You happy in everyone, children. Understood, children? So please, thank you. I am sorry. Excuse me. May I help you? Understood, children? Yes. Now, children, everyone take out your English classwork book. So already we learned A to M small letters. Yes, children. So now we learn small letters N, O, P, Q. Ready, children? Now everyone take out your English classwork book. I write on the board and you see and write in your book. Okay, children? Yes, children, ready? Today we learn small letters N, O, P and Q. Ready, children? Yes, take out your English classwork book, 4-rule book, children, and sharpen your pencil, eraser, everything, children. Ready? Yes. Now, children, first letter is N. So, N. Write this like this only, children, in your classwork book. N. N for nest. N. N for nest. You write full page in your classwork book, children. Now next, O. O for orange. O. O for orange. O. O for orange. Yes, children. Now, okay, next is P. P for parrot. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Next, children, Q. Q for queen. Q. Q for queen. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. So you write full page in your classwork book, children. N, O, P, Q. N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot and Q for queen. Understood, children? Write neatly in your classwork book, children. You write N letter, you write full page. Understood? You write O letter, you write full page. You write P letter, you write full page. You write Q letter, you write full page in your classwork book, children. This is your homework. Write full page. N, O, P, Q. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. And Q for queen. Understood, children? Now, children, so tracing also is very important. So you also trace, children, like this only. N, N, O, 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 P, 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 Q, 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 Q. Tracing also is very important, children. Trace, okay? N, O, P, Q. Understood, children? Now, children, everyone take out your English textbook. Little Learner. Little Learner English workbook, children. See. So, already we do page number 33 is completed, children. Yes? Now, children, today page number 34. I can trace patterns. Trace the pattern. See, children, here left curve and right curve. So this is curve trace children. Okay. So trace the pattern. I can trace pattern. See children, this is right curve and this is left curve. So trace children. Everyone take out your English Learner textbook and page number 34. Okay. Now children, trace curve. Say and trace children. Curve. 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 Right curve. Right curve. So next, left curve. Yes children, left curve. Left curve. So this is left curve, right curve and left curve. So this is a, what is this children? O. So 0, 0, 0. Okay children. So see children, next one, down curve, down curve, down curve. So down curve. Yes children. So first one is left curve, right curve, 0 and down curve. See children. You also trace like this only in your textbook children now. Right curve, left curve, 0 and down curve. So next page children, page number 35. I know position words. I know position words. See the picture, talk about the position of the animal. See children, here one picture is there. Some animals is there children. See, bear, frog, monkey, rabbit and woodpecker. So some animals are there children here. So children, now we know positions children. So first children, woodpecker. Where is the woodpecker children? So here woodpecker. So woodpecker is inside the tree. So where is the woodpecker children? She is inside the tree. Woodpecker is inside the tree. See children, woodpecker. So where is the woodpecker? Woodpecker is inside the tree. Yes. Now children, next monkey. See children, monkey. Where is the monkey? So monkey is under the tree children. See, monkey is under the tree. Woodpecker is inside the tree and monkey is under the tree. So next children, bear. So where is the bear children? Bear is behind the tree. See children, bear is, this is tree. So behind the tree. Bear is behind the tree. Understood children? Next, so beside. So where is the rabbit children? Rabbit is beside the tree. So rabbit is beside the tree. See children. So next, so two frogs are there children here. So one frog is between the mushrooms. Middle frog. See children, this is between the frog. Frog is between the mushrooms. Frog is between the mushrooms. Okay children. Now one frog children, see, the frog is on the mushroom. So one frog is between the mushroom and one frog is on the mushroom. Understood children? So woodpecker is beside inside the tree. Woodpecker is inside the tree. So monkey is under the tree. Bear is behind the tree. So frog is on the mushroom. So one more frog is between the mushroom. So rabbit is beside the tree. So all animals are, some animal inside the tree, under the tree, behind the tree, beside the tree, between the mushroom and on the mushroom. Understood, children? See, children. So now next, children, match the animals to their position. Yes, children, match the animals to their position. So, children, first one, where is the woodpecker here? Where is the woodpecker? Inside. Inside the woodpecker inside the tree. So here, between, beside, behind, on, inside, under. So woodpecker, where is, children? So woodpecker is inside the tree. Yes, children, woodpecker is inside the tree. Here woodpecker inside the tree, children. See here. So matching, children. Woodpecker is inside the tree. Next, children, where is the rabbit? Rabbit is beside in the tree. Rabbit is beside the tree. So where is the rabbit, children? Here. So here picture, where is rabbit? Rabbit is beside the tree. Matching, children. Rabbit is beside the tree. Next, children, monkey. Where is the monkey? Monkey is under the tree. Where monkey is under the tree. So where is the monkey, children? Here. So where is under? Here. So where monkey is under the tree. Do matching, children. Monkey is under the tree. So next, children, bear. So children, frog. So on the frog. One frog is mushroom on the frog. So where is the frog, children? On. So on. Yes, children, like this only. So next, children, last one more. See, children, between. So this is between, children. Between the frog. So this is on the frog. So this is between and this is on. Understood, children? Notice this is on, children, and this is between. So here, see, children, frog is on the mushroom. So here, see, children, frog is on the mushroom. This is on. So this is between, children. This is not a on. This is between. Understood, children? So this is between and this is on. And last one, children. Where is the bear? Bear is behind the tree. Bear is behind the tree. So behind. Matching, children. Bear is behind the tree. Understood, children? Woodpecker is inside the tree. Woodpecker is inside the tree. Monkey is under the tree. Okay, children? And rabbit is inside the tree. And frog is on the mushroom. Frog is on the mushroom. And frog is between in the two mushrooms, children. Okay? One is on the tree and one frog is between the mushrooms, children. Okay? Two frogs are there here. So, bear is behind the tree. Understood, children? You also do in your matching in your textbook, children, like this only. Yes. Now next, children, page number 30 6. I can read sight words. Point the read. Children, just these sight words read, children. IT, it. IT, it. SHE, she. SHE, she. HE, he. BOY, boy. Yes, children. IT, it. SHE, she. HE, he. BOY, boy. And GIRL, girl. YOUU. WEV. THIS, these. Okay, children. FATHER, father. LOOK, look. THAT, that. AM, am. Yes, children. IS, is. ARER. FIRST, first. MOTHER, mother. Read sight word, children. IT, it. SHE, she. HE, he. BOY, boy. GIRL, girl. YOU, WEV. THIS, these. FATHER, father. LOOK, look. THAT, that. AM, am. IS, is. ARER. FIRST, first. MOTHER, mother. You also learn in your textbook, children. Okay. Now, children, next page number 37. J for jug and J for jar. Jar, jam, anything, children. So trace and write. So write, children. You also trace J. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. J. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug and J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. Remaining lines in your homework, children. Do homework properly in your textbook, children. J for jug. Say and write. Next, children. U. Hello letter U. Yes, children. U. 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 U means what, children? Under. U. 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 So remaining lines in your homework, children. Okay. Next, children. B. So B for bat. B for bat and B for boy. So B. B. B for bat and B for boy. Yes, children. B for bat. B for boy. 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 So, children, remaining lines in your homework. Okay, children. Next, P for pan and P for pencil. Yes, children. P for pan. P for pencil. 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 So remaining lines in your homework, children. So next, R. R for rat, and R for rocket. R for rat. 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 R for rocket. So, remaining lines in your homework. R. See these 3 remaining lines in your homework. Next, children. Trace the letter, write them on your own. So, children, J. J for joker. J for joker. U. U for under. U for umbrella. U. Next, B. B for bat. B for ball. B for bat and B for ball. P. P for parrot. P for pigeon. Okay, children, last. R. R for rabbit. R for rose. So, children, finish. So, children, your textbook is finished, children. Okay? Now, children, you learn magic words. Okay, children, I'll show some pictures, children, magic words. Okay? Yes, children, ready? I'll show some magic words picture, children. Okay? See, children. So, see, children, here. Yes, so first one is please. Please show me your toys. So he's asking children, see, please show me your toys. Next, thank you. So he's giving what, children? One toy. So he's telling what, children, here? Thank you. So next, I am sorry. So his toy is broken, children. See? So he's telling what, children? I am sorry. So next, children, excuse me. So he is calling for this man, children. So what did he tell? Excuse me. Yes, excuse me. So next, children, may I. So she is helping children. See, she is helping this boy, children. So what he is telling, may I help you. So children, so many magic words, children. So this our daily life we use specially these 5 magic words, children, every day. Okay, first one is please, second thank you, so I am sorry, excuse me, and may I help you. Understood, children? Yes, children. So you are already, I'll give you a homework, children. So MNOPQ, small letters. You write full page and write in your workbook, children. Textbook also write. Remaining lines I'll give children homework. So your homework is finished. You send me school email ID, children. Understood, children? So bye, children. Take care.